You gotta take my dick and
Hey YouTube, this is Benny Welch here. I got Pokemon Black a day early. I can't wait to play it, so I'm just gonna unbox it here for you, see what's inside. It's the English copy, well, so the American one, but it will play on my Nintendo DS, so here we go, guys. Fucking get into the thing. Here we go.
Oh man. Oh man.
Fuck, I can't wait to play this.
Oh yeah.
Okay, there we go. Pokemon Black. The English or American version. Just got it in the mail. Here we go. Dude, what the fuck? Pokemon White. You fucking dude.
Dude, that's
He's
already got a Pokemon White.
You gotta be fucking
What
with
the
me.
fuck?
Dude!
what the fuck,
It's
man?
gonna take at least 3 weeks to get it sent back.
Look. Pokemon Black, Pokemon White. Fucking manufacturing error or some shit. Ah, oh, damn it! God fucking damn it!
Oh, sack it.
Yeah, I don't want it anymore!